Before the exams, we had to do quite a lot of counseling sessions with the children, considering the situation that the whole world has gone through and is still going through. But so far we are grateful. We've seen the results actually. The counseling has really helped the children.
The corona situation was not all that easy even to prepare the kids. Some of them could be absent, some of them took time to join, some of them even joined while we were approaching the exams. And some of them made it to the rural due to the financial situation of the parents. But I thank God that we dedicated ourselves as teachers. We managed to prepare the kids, all of them, for the exams, and all of them have managed it.